Did you know the FBI's best spy hunter was secretly working for the Soviets the entire time? Robert Hanssen spent 22 years inside FBI counterintelligence. His job was to find moles, to design the systems that would catch traitors before they could do damage. He was the traitor. From 1979 to 2001, Hanssen fed Moscow a steady stream of classified intelligence. He handed over the names of Soviet officers secretly working for the United States. Those men were arrested. Several were executed. And every morning, Hanssen drove to FBI headquarters and kept hunting. What makes his case so disturbing isn't just the betrayal, it's how long it lasted. 22 years. No one looked too closely at the man who seemed to know everything about catching spies. The FBI didn't catch him. A Russian defector sold his file to American intelligence. His identity was confirmed from fingerprints lifted off a garbage bag. The man who built the trap never saw the one closing around him.